So today I want to talk about a plant that flowers really late in the season. In fact, it is one of the last flowers to go to flower at the end of the growing season, right? And so this can be a really good food source, nectary for a lot of beneficial insects. So I really want to talk about this plant today. So of course I'm talking about the white Heath Aster. This is a native plant to North America, and it is a late season nectary, right? It will go to flower usually between September and October, and on each plant it has a lot of small daisy-like flowers, and this can be very attractive to a whole variety of beneficial insects, right? And so these insects can include different types of bees, like carpenter bees, honeybees, bumblebees, leaf-cutting bees, halictid bees, adrenid bees, as well as some wasps as well. The thread-waisted wasp, the spire wasp, ichneumoniid wasps, proconid wasps, and then we also have some of the beneficial flies as well, like the syrphid flies, tachinid flies, muscid flies, as well as a couple of butterfly species as well, such as the silvery checker spot and the pearl crescent. Illinois Wildflowers is a really great resource for finding a bunch of insects, including these, as well as others that are attracted to the white Heath Aster, and I will include a link to them down in the description. Right, and so a lot of these beneficial insects can be pollinators, such as bees, but they can also have some parasitoid activities, such as some of these wasps and some of these flies, and they can and what that means is that they go after some pest insects, right? Pest insects such as certain types of pest insects such as aphids, or certain types of pest beetles like Japanese beetles, such as the tachinid fly, for example, will go after the Japanese beetle, right? And a whole list of other insect pests as well. So this plant is super beneficial to include on the landscape, just because of all of the beneficial life that it attracts into the landscape or the garden, whatever the case may be. So thank you so much for checking out this video on the white Heath Aster. As we can tell, it attracts a whole variety of beneficial insects, and it can be a really great plant to add to the landscape or the garden or whatever the case may be. And it's also a native plant to North America as well on top of that. So thank you so much for checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Take care.